subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has announced its new smartphone in the US called Motorola One with 5G support, and it seems to be a rebranded version of Moto G 5G Plus smartphone that was recently launched in the Europe. Talking about the specifications, the Motorola One 5G features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and 21:9 aspect ratio. The screen supports HDR10 and it has a dual hole punch at the top left corner that carries 16 megapixel primary camera with f2.0 aperture and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a quad camera setup in square module at the top left corner including LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 48 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with 118-degree field of view plus 5 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor with f2.2 aperture. Under the hood, the Motorola One 5G is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 chipset paired with Adreno 620 GPU. In terms of storage, the device packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 10 based on MyUX skin on top. The device comes equipped by a large 5000 mAh battery that supports 15 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168 by 74 by 9 mm and it weighs around 207 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Motorola One 5G has been priced in the US at $500 and it is now available for pre-orders in the country in Oxford blue color option. So what do you guys think of this Motorola One 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.